So before getting into the credit control area, what is credit control area? You try to understand. Let me try to reiterate. This terminology is very different. So if you don't understand the terminology, you cannot able to understand the concept on SAP system. If you understand the terminology, it is easy for you to get onto the system. First, try to understand the basics. So I already explained you credit exposure. Credit exposure is nothing but whatever the credit limit you consumed, that will be added to your credit exposure field, that we are going to see in another few sections. Okay, it's too early to see that field. I will show you definitely, but let's wait and let's try to control your enthusiasm for some time. So the spending limit is calculated as a credit exposure. Now you got it right. Limit is, credit limit is nothing but the limit which actually company is giving to your customer. The limit which actually consumed by your customer, it will be calculated as a credit exposure. This is the basic difference. So many consultants will confuse about this. This is my credit limit, this is credit exposure. Why I am reiterating this, I have given my Excel example. In that I mentioned about credit limit and credit exposure. Credit limit is nothing but the limit of credit which actually given to the customer by the company. Credit exposure is nothing but whatever the limit which is utilized by the customer across or against whatever the credit limit is provided by the company. These are the two different things. So let me try to add the Excel. If you see, this is credit limit. Okay, I'll put it as credit limit. Okay, this is credit limit initially company given to the customer. This is utilized balance or paid back the balance. This is the section, but whatever the utilization will be there, right? If it is utilized, whatever the utilized amount, assume that 5,50,000 they utilize. This is your credit exposure. Okay, that I will show you an SAP system so that you can able to understand this. So in so now you understand what is this credit limit and credit exposure. Okay, right? In next section I am just going to explain what is my credit control area. Okay, now you got two terms learned. One is credit limit and credit exposure. Now in next section we're going to see what is credit control area, why we require this.